Nationwide, the price of a used car has skyrocketed 37% in the past year. The average cost soaring above $28,000.
Everybody's frustrated. It's a shortage of cars.
I was doing my typical morning routine.
You gonna out-tow every Ram.
Right.
Well maintained.
Yeah, I'll be right there, dog.
Never been in a wreck. No oil leak.
You gonna be the talk of the town.
That's right, yeah.
Son, the only regret you'll have is that you didn't buy it 6 months sooner.
To the flow, make that engine shake. Whoa, make the ground move.
We're breaking ground here because this is my newly purchased Ford F250 with a neglected but running diesel engine that I bought for under $2,000. It's super nasty, so let's bring it back to life as quick as possible with a good detail and some way overdue maintenance. I want to have this thing fully detailed and fixed up, hopefully even sold within 24 hours, which means a late night for me. Inside, it looks like a Wolverine got in here. And on top of that, it's also been smoked in for years. So I'll have my work cut out for me. just like that, it looks like almost a new truck again. Though no amount of cleaning will fix that seat, but I think I've got a temporary solution for that. After cleaning the truck up, it was time to take it for a rip. And it did what Fords tend to do, break down.
I know what's wrong with it. It's a Ford. You know what they say Ford stands for, don't you? It stands for fix it again, Tony.
So it looked great, but it left me stranded. While I was waiting for my tow truck, I had time to think back to the words of the wise old man.
Son, the only regret you'll have is that you didn't buy it 6 months sooner.
He was wrong. This was a sad moment. The old F250 is down for the count. Cranks but no start. It's most likely this cam position sensor. It was not the sensor. After replacing things, we went to crank it over. Alright, moment of truth.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So, we end the video in defeat. At least it looks good though. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for future content. Peace.